So you know how they say that all black people know how to dance? Hey. What is this? What is this? Okay, I have to bend the side. Coordination zero. What is up, beautiful people? Welcome back to my channel, the place to be for everything weight loss, wellness, personal growth, and all that good stuff. So today's video is going to be a little bit different. You guys know I'm always this serious person posting stuff about weight loss, healthy lifestyle, but I also have another side of me. So today's video is going to be pure entertainment for you guys, as an appreciation for you guys subscribing to my channel. I made 5,000 subscribers. Woo! Yay me, yay me. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I appreciate you guys. Thank you for helping my channel grow. If you enjoy my content, please share it with your friends. I really appreciate it. So today I'm going to be dancing the Gwara Gwara dance. So you know how they say that all black people know how to dance? Jokes on you guys, not all black people know how to dance. I'm legit one of those people who, if you see me dancing, I've practiced that dance. That's not true, but like for example, the last video when I got monetized the first time, I did not know how to do the WAP dance. I had to practice a couple of times. If you guys want to crack up, I'm going to leave a link to that video above. Feel free to check it out. You know how you dance like whining stuff? I know how to whine. However, stuff whereby you have to do step by step and follow, I'm the worst. And today we are going to do the Gwara Gwara dance. I landed on this couple on YouTube. Oh my god, I don't remember what their name is, but I'm going to share their channel on the screen. So this girl, she's a black girl. She was teaching her white boyfriend how to dance African moves.
My name is James.
And I'm Kimmy. I'm going to show you the easier version. It's just a little bend of the knee.
Bend of the knee.
Yeah. And then your hand just kind of helps.
Oh yeah, I remember this one. I remember this one. Like this. Yeah?
Yeah.
Got it.
What?
I'm bending the knee.
So I'm like, okay, I can do that. And then they reached this Gwara Gwara dance. Let me show you. You guys, I cannot take myself seriously every time I do it because it's I don't know. Without talking too much, let us get started with this dance. Some of the music in these videos is not royalty free, so I brought back up my laptop. I'm going to be playing some Afrobeat that's royalty free off of my laptop. I should get a speaker. Yeah.
Doing the Gwara Gwara dance, the first thing you have to do is to open your leg.
Okay.
You don't have
open
to
your leg.
Right, not too small, just open it the normal size.
Okay.
So I'll start with the shoulder. Try to do your shoulder like this. Just be flexible.
I can do the shoulder, guys. That's easy.
Like this. I'm not
I feel like you guys are not straight. Wait.
Your hand, it's so easy. Like
better.
your hand goes up. Your hand goes inside like this. So after this, let's go to the leg. Try and do this, like in, out,
in, out, in, out, in, out.
So your hands go like in, out.
I don't know why I'm laughing before I'm even there.
After you got to this, I'm gonna try down to our leg on the floor.
Wait,
like
what?
This. So you in, out. So you get to break.
Okay.
Same thing like this, but now you're bouncing your leg like this.
Okay.
So it goes in, out. So when your leg bounces on the floor, the leg goes in like this, like it bounces and goes in.
It bounces and goes in, okay.
And your hand goes the same direction with your leg.
And your hand goes the same direction with the leg.
So you try bending now.
It's not working for me, you guys. It's not working for me. Oh my god. Wait, I need more space.
Try and flex. So just
ooh. I missed it.
this. Don't kill yourself. This is
okay. Again.
Then you
think
go
I'm
the
getting
same
it.
direction of your leg, like this. So
What?
so that's it. Most people do just that, but
Whoa.
big.
Hey.
Flexible like
I know how to do this, girl. I can do this.
so
Okay.
flexible.
Coordination zero.
But you can't do this.
Okay.
Don't kill yourself. This is okay.
I have a stitch.
But if you're flexible, just do this. It makes it so right.
No, I'm flexible enough to do this, girl. I just can't.
So most people do it this way. do anything with your hands, like.
What was I doing at first? Oh, like that. Now?
Do anything. So, follow the steps, pal.
No, girl. No. I need another tutorial because this one is not working for me. I need another one. Guys, I found another tutorial, so we are going to try this other tutorial because this one looks so much, well, I don't know. Let's just see.
The right leg,
okay,
and bring it back.
Right leg.
So that's the basic. Yes, up, down, very simple. Now we're gonna add our weight. So lift it, go to the right, and bend. So you can see that there
this is much easier.
From left to right here and bend.
Oh, this is much easier.
So up,
and
at the same time. Up, bend, and switch the weight here.
Hey!
Bend, yes. Up, bend. Yeah. Out.
Let me show you who I'm using right now.
In, out, in. Left, bend, circle, and straight again. Boom. Click.
Okay, so you pull it down and then you push up and up.
Yeah, basically that's it. So remember, turn out and turn in. You need this direction.
Yeah, I got it now.
And release. So boom.
What about the other leg? Like the left?
The left leg is basic. It's not completely straight. So you want to bend it a little bit.
Bend it a little bit.
Yes. And because the weight gonna be on this leg, to start with, bend it and keep it here, bend. Boom. Boom. Yes.
Woo!
Boom.
Okay, maybe do it to the side.
Ooh.
Yes.
Or you need to tap in a bit.
Woo!
That's up to you. Maybe this side, then go.
This side?
On the right, then on the big left, straight, up, in, and boom.
What? Wait.
Boom.
You need to lean forward or
Woo!
yeah, feel like
Good question indeed.
Okay, upper body lean forward. The rules are upper body lean forward. This leg folded a little bit.
You got this, bro.
Okay, feel funny now again.
5,
Wait.
6, 7, and slow, and 1, 2,
Wait.
1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah.
Okay, have to bend the side. Coordination 0. Wait.
You got this.
Oh, you guys are doing it better than me at home.
I do 2 rounds and then I lose it again.
And then that was like the basic, but of course there are many ways to do it once you understand the move.
Oh.
And you can also do levels.
Whoa.
Yeah, and you bring back inside here.
Hey. Yeah.
Or switch legs.
Oh.
But, yeah.
Oh shit. Switch legs.
Switch legs is also good exercise to practice body.
Okay.
Go here.
This one is not easy.
Yeah, maybe. Now we're gonna add a bit of variation when kick.
So kind of putting all your weight to your right leg.
I don't know what to do with this hand.
Yes. Yes.
I don't think I'm doing it right, you guys. I'll show you what it looks like on the screen. You know what, guys? Let me play my music and just practice to the TV. Hey. What is this? What is this? This is my original move, man. I don't know what to do. confused. Lost it. You guys, I've officially accepted that I don't know how to do the gwara gwara dance. Even if I try, like, I don't know what's happening. My body just can't coordinate. I'm going to try one more time, and if it fails, I'm done. I'm out, man. I'm sweating. I realize that I'm those people that just sweat a lot because I'm very active, because damn. Okay, one more time. Okay, I'm going to do the old video again. I just want something to follow too. So she has this whole thing whereby she's dancing the whole thing, like for this thing. I know it's not what she's doing, but something close to that. I'm a handicap when it comes to dancing. Okay, music. Coming, it's coming, I'm loading. Wait. my god. You know what, guys, if you're one of those people that have trouble putting in a workout, I suggest you get a dance routine, something that you've always wanted to do, and practice it. There are so many tutorials on TikTok, on YouTube, on everything. You can try all that stuff out. Trust me, you'll break a sweat, because I'm sweating right now. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I am sweating like crazy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. This video might have been boring or whatever. I hope it gives you a laugh. I don't know if it's as fun. I will find out after editing. But yeah, thanks again, you guys, for subscribing to my channel. We are at 5,000 right now. Please share my channel, all my videos, with your friends if you find any of the content on my channel valuable. I appreciate you in advance. As always, do not forget to stay motivated, be patient, trust the process, and spread the love. I will see you in the next one. Bye. Love ya.